How to fix WhatsApp storage full on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp storage full on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you need to find all your installed apps and then scroll all the way down until you find WhatsApp. And once you're here, now just click storage and then click clear cache, and now go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, just click on it and click allow, and after that go back to storage and then click clean up, and then clean anything you want here, and you can clean just junk files and click delete, and that's it. Then restart your phone and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.